A pretty handy technique in video editing is changing the speed or duration of a clip. Now, this can be used to slow down or speed up a clip, and you can even specify how long a clip should be. Now, for this little project, what I want to do is take our screen captures and I want to speed those up, and I have two separate ones, both at 15 seconds each, which is a total of about 30 seconds. Well, I'm going to need to shrink that to about 6 seconds. So each clip is going to be about 3 seconds each. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and play our movie here and see exactly where I want to have those clips show up.
Hey campers, Jess here for TonyTeach.com, and I wanted to let you know that Tony Teach is now offering online classes.
Okay, so right after online classes, that is where I want to have the videos show up. So what I want to do at this time is set up a simple placeholder. In order to do that, I'm going to come over to our new item tab here in our project area. Now click, and I just want to have black video. Now by default, it's going to have all of these settings, and I'll just simply click OK. And I'm going to drag this over, and this will be holding right in the place where I need it to be. So I'm going to hit play again, just hitting my spacebar.
Pre-register now for our 2-hour mini course, Basic Retouching in Photoshop, for just $10.
All right, and so I want it to stop right about where it says $10. So we'll stretch that out there. And I'm looking at the length of this piece. I'm just rolling my cursor right over the area, and it tells me that it's 6.9 seconds. And what I want to do now is I want to go over to my project area, and I'm going to double click on the eye movie promo. And so this is the section where we're working on the eye. And now I can come here and I'll right click on the black video we've inserted, and we want to select replace with clip from source monitor. All right, so once I've done that, it's now replaced that. Now what I want to do here is I'm going to change the duration of this clip. So if you remember, this is actually about 6 seconds long, and I'm going to right click again and come all the way down and select speed and duration. So instead of it being 6 seconds, I'm going to come down here and type in 3 and just make that a 0 at the end. And I'll click OK. So now if we play this,
Now offering online classes. Pre-register now for our 2-hour mini course, Basic Retouching in Photoshop, for
okay, so that's the first one. And what I want to do next is I want to select this sped up clip we just created. I'm going to hold down my Option key, Alt on PC, and I'll click and drag over a copy of this. And I want to make sure this is right next to this, so there's no spaces. I'm just going to use my cursor and move forward to make sure there's no blank spaces. All right, looks good. So now what we're going to do with the second clip is we're going to replace the second one with our other movie, which is the mouth movie. So in the project window, I'll double click on the mouth movie promo, and on our timeline, I'm going to right click on this duplicated eye promo we did and replace with the clip in the source monitor. All right, so now we have two different clips. We have the eyes In the second clip, we have the mouth. And if we take a look at the speed of this duplicated clip we did, we have it ramped up so it's also 210% and only 3 seconds. So these two combined give us our full 6 seconds. So now if we play this again,
.com, and I wanted to let you know that Tony Teach is now offering online classes. Pre-register now for our 2-hour mini course, Basic Retouching in Photoshop, for just $10. Learn how to turn your photos from this.
And there we've added in 2 different clips and sped those up. So whether for an action or sports clip slow motion, or speeding up elements for things like a demo, changing a clip's speed can add some variance into an otherwise plain looking video.